This video explains how to buy shares of Ventura Offshore Holding Ltd, a maritime services company listed on Euronext under the ticker VTURA.OL. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. Always research and consider the risks before investing. To purchase shares, you must use a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker VTURA.OL to find Ventura Offshore Holding Ltd. Make sure you select the Euronext listing to locate the correct share. On the stock page, review the company's basic information and examine the price chart to understand recent movements. Confirm the exchange and ticker match VTURA.OL so you have the correct asset. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading reopens. If your account balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the purchase can be completed. After the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform as a reference.